What's going on, folks? It's your boy Sneaker Junkie back at you with another quick tip, tricks, tutorial type of video. Okay, I wouldn't call that this one. I would call this is more of a informational video. I guess they're all informational. But anywho, I want to share with you guys the way StockX works. Okay, and really this video is learning how to be patient when you sell on StockX. Okay, understand this drives me crazy. If you already have the sneaker, you already have the product. Why are we driving down the value of the shoe, competing against other resellers, which is fine, but why are we driving down the price? We're killing our own margins just because somebody wants the lowest price. This is what I'm getting at, right? Um, I have a couple of these shoes already. Let's go to these. Let's go to the Jordan 6 retros, right? Obviously, you see right there, I have a current axe that at 180, right? So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you. I actually have a size 7. So what we're looking at is the current stock market value, right, on sneakers, that's why it's called StockX. Okay, so the lowest sales price right now that someone's willing to sell it at is 159. The highest someone is willing to pay is 145. Okay, and this particular shoe, this price has been going up and down, up and down, up and down since it dropped. So if you look in the middle of the screen, last sale was $157, right? And then you can see kind of, the trends and what it's selling at. It's all over the place, right? And then also it shows you right here in the middle of the screen the retail value. So 140 plus tax, you're looking at about 152, right? So in order to make somewhat of a profit on this shoe as a reseller, you have to list it just right. So as a reseller, there's fees that you pay for using StockX. Okay, so look, case in point, I have the shoes listed at 180, right? There's a transaction fee of 9%, so that's already $16.20 taken off, plus the payment processing fee, which I believe that processing fee is PayPal, because once the shoes sell, they put the money that you've earned from the sale after taxes and fees into PayPal, and I believe PayPal processing fee is 3%. Okay, shipping is free for the seller, but the buyer has to pay. That's like a $14, $13.95, $14 shipping fee. Okay, so long story short, if I sell these shoes at 180, my payout's 158 and 40 cents. So mind you, retail for these shoes plus tax is about 152 in California, right? So if I were to sell it at the highest bid price right now, which is 145, minus all the fees, my payout is 127.60. So any good reseller, not even that, any good business-minded person will not sell a product under retail. Okay? Why? Because I can simply, since I bought them from Nike, I can simply just ship them back to Nike, and get my full refund back. No big deal. But this is what I'm getting at. So if I wanted to lower my price, right? So the highest, right, the lowest ask price right now is 159. The highest bid is 145. Watch what happens, man. We it's stupid to me because people just got to have the lowest price. It's the dumbest thing. So I'm going to lower mine. I'm going to lower it to 158, right? Actually, let's go 157. Okay? I'm going to go lower it to 157. Going to hit continue. Blah, blah, blah. Golden. Okay? So the screen will update. All right. I have the new lowest ask at 157, and the highest bid is still 145. Usually what happens, the next person who had the lowest ask will come right back behind you and lower their price just so they have the lowest asking price. Again, if we're selling these shoes as resellers to make a profit, why are we hurting our own margins, our own profit margins? This is the dumbest thing to me. So one thing you have to learn about StockX is you have to be patient. Okay, look. This right here, this is all the current bid prices, meaning these people on their StockX account has already committed to paying a certain price. So when we as the resellers, when we compete against each other, the ones who have the products, right? When we lower the price, the people who bidding who wants to buy the product, they're going to lower their price. Hence stock exchange, right? Supply and demand. So I want to put this video out there for those who are resellers who are always trying to have the lowest price on StockX. It's not that detrimental. It's not that important. Again, why? You already have a product that somebody, hence all these, you have a product that somebody or somebodies, if that's even the proper way to say it, they're already having a price that they want to pay. So if we continue to bid against ourselves, we're hurting our own margins, okay? I'm surprised that nobody's came in behind me just in this quick video and went in and try to have the lowest ask price. It just happens time and time again, okay? So we'll go through some more stuff here. Same thing. You want to make sure. Here, look what I have these. Let's see. So I have them in a 9.5, right? So lowest ask price is $449, highest bid's $432. Mind you, these shoes retail were $350 plus tax was like $377. Again, why did these shoes sell for $800? And now, as you can see, the market has killed it. You know, it went from $800 all the way down. Why is that? Supply and demand, I get it. The more people who have it, of course, you can drive the price down. But I guarantee you, this is because people, resellers, are bidding against each other. They're outbidding, trying to have the lowest price. You know what I mean? It's just the dumbest thing. So the key thing to StockX is being patient, okay? Another thing about StockX is it's good to see, like these shoes dropped this morning, right? The Nike Zoom Rookies. This morning, oh, that's crazy. Size 15 is still the highest bid price. This morning, the size 15 had 3 at that price. There were 3 shoes, 3 bids at $350. And I see they still have one of the highest. So a positive thing about using StockX is that you can go in and see shoes resale value, okay? So there's plus and minuses to this game, but it's all about due diligence. It's all about doing your homework. When these shoes came out, they were one and some change. What are they? Let's look here. Okay, $220. So $220 plus tax, you're looking at $232. So that's not a bad margin. $340. Actually, here, let's do this. It'll give you exactly what your take home would be after fees. If you were to sell it right now at $340, your take home is $299.20. $299.20. So, you know, you make over $50, just about $50. That's not a bad margin for a shoe you copped in the morning and you can sell in the next hour, right? Okay. So, anywho, I just want to do a quick tutorial on StockX for resellers, or anyone really. You don't have to necessarily beat cars over a reseller, but whatever. If you're selling on StockX, my ask is that be patient. You have the product, okay? Customers are on here already who are bidding. They already have their bids in. I'm still shocked. I still have the lowest price. Nobody's came in and went below me, right? Case in point, look. I'll show you here. Go into my email. You see this one? Okay, that's mine, right? And then that's the highest bid, right? And then here you go. Let's see. You know, new lowest ask, 154, right? If I keep going, I keep going here. Let's see more. New highest bid, 140. See all the prices? Did I delete them? I must have deleted them. There's okay, here we go. It's just ridiculous. It goes up and down because we're, as resellers, those who are selling the products keeps going back and forth with themselves. So anywho, it's your boy Sneaker Junkie. Just want to give a quick video on how to be patient on StockX. Really, there's no real tutorial about it. It's just be patient. Be patient. You have the product. There's customers out there willing and ready to buy your product. The sneaker game is all about patience, okay? It's your boy Sneaker Junkie. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share to this new YouTube channel. Like I said, my ultimate goal is to put out in-depth content on the sneaker game. Whether you're a veteran, whether you're first time, or you're semi into it, whatever. I just want to put out good in-depth content to help everyone cop the sneakers that they really want. It's your boy Sneaker Junkie. Y'all have a blessed day.